everyone. Today it's turn of practice set 20. See here in practice set 20, this is first example. Line AC and line BD intersect at point P. Here in the figure, 1 minute. Here line AC and line BD or DB intersect at point P. Find and measurement of APD. APD, it is given 47 degree, and what is told, find the measures of angle APB, then BPC and CPD. Means these three angles we have to find out. So here I have drawn same figure. APD is 47 degree and angle APB, this APB we have to find out, we don't know measurement. Then BPC and then CPD. So we will find out measurements of these angles. So first we will find out measurement of angle BPC. See here, angle APD and angle BPC are opposite angles, and you know very well that measurements of opposite angles is equal. So otherwise opposite angles are equal in measurement. So APD and BPC is equal to 47 degree. Is equal to 47 degree. Here you can write measure angle BPC is equal to 47 degree. Now we got this angle. Now we will find out angle APB. Now see here in this figure, now we got this angle, this is 47 degree. Now APB is this angle and this is straight line, and these two angles are linear pair angles. So measurement of addition of these both angles is 180 degree. So here it is written angle APD plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. Why? These are linear pair angles. So here we will write linear pair angles. Now we know measurement of angle APD. It is 47 degree. So here we will write 47 degree plus measure angle APB is equal to 180 degree. Means here measurement of angle APD is written 47, APB as it is, and 180 degree also as it is. Now we will find out measure angle APB is equal to 180 minus 47. So measure angle APB is equal to 180 minus 47 is 133 degree. Now we got this angle APB. Now we will find out ACD. See in this figure, angle measure angle APD we will find out. See in this figure, angle APD is APD is given. We have to find out now CPD, means this angle. Now we got this angle, this is 133 degree. Now this is opposite angle of this angle, so it will also be 133 degree. So now here we will write measure angle CPD is equal to measure angle APB is equal to 130 degree. Why 130 degree? They are opposite angles. Therefore measure angle CPD is equal to 133 degree. So we got all these three angles. This is CPD. Now we will see practice set 20, question number 2. Line PQ and line RS intersect at point M. Measure angle PMR. This is X degree. Then what are the measures of angle PMS? Means PMS, this angle. SMQ means this angle, and QMR means this angle. We have to find out measurements of these three angles. So here we have written angle PMR is equal to X degree, and PMS, SMQ and QMR we have to find out. Now here you can tell, if PMR is X degree, this SMQ is also X degree because they are opposite angles. So here we can write Major angle PMR is equal to SMQ is equal to x degree. So we can write here major angle SMQ is equal to x degree. So we got this SMQ. Now we will find out this angle PMS. You know very well this PMS and SMQ, these two are linear pair angles. Means measurement addition of these both angles is 180 degree. So here we can write major angle PMS plus major angle SMQ is equal to 180 degree. And we know SMQ is x degree. So we can put that value here. So major angle PMS is equal to, plus x is equal to 180 degree. So major angle PMS is equal to 180 minus x degree. So here both where you can give degree, otherwise you can give degree to bracket also. Now we got this PMS also. Now we will find out QMR. Now in this figure you can see QMR is opposite angle of this PMS. And now we got this PMS. It is 180 minus x degree. So it will also be 180 minus x degree. So here we can write major angle QMR is equal to major angle PMS is equal to 180 degree. And here we have to write reason in bracket. Linear pair angles. Therefore, major angle QMR is equal to 180 degree minus x degree. Here also x degree, and we can write it 180 minus x degree. Here they are opposite angles. So write here opposite angles. Now we got all these three angles. QMR is equal to 180 minus x degree. Bye bye. Have a nice day.